Hi, this is Maria. Today we will proceed with the mandala I showed you last time. So we will fill this mandala grid with basic shapes. Now I've added a link for the previous tutorial about how to make a basic mandala grid. So for the first line, I started drawing petal arcs and then regular petals. Just a quick reminder, this grid has been separated by 10 degrees, so we have 36 grids, okay? And each shape is being drawn on 2 spaces. Now I will draw the drop petals. See how it's done. I start from the intersection between the 2 previous petals. I go up with a drop and then I add 2 small drops on the side ending at the summit of the petal. I will go again. From the intersection of the 2 petals here, I go up with a drop and then I draw 2 small drops, and as you see, the 2 drops have met here. Okay? Now I will be adding 1 line and dot in the intersection of the 2 small drops. For the pointed petals, we start from the summit of the teardrop and end at the summit of the second teardrop. From the intersection of the pointed petals, I will add a double pointed teardrop. And now to finish, I'll use the long arc petals, and I'm going to draw 1 petal on each space. So this is the basic mandala. It is drawn with basic shapes. I hope that you will find it easy. Please click on the next link to see how you can color your own mandala. See you next time.